Hi, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the camera timer on this device. We need to open the camera app first. To do it, simply tap on the camera icon right here. In the camera app, tap on the settings icon. Here, tap on this camera icon at the top. And here we have option called self timer. Tap on it. And we have options like off, 2 seconds and 10 seconds. I'm gonna select 10 seconds by tapping on it, but you can select any of the options. And now when I press the shutter button, the countdown will start, and after it's done, that picture will be taken. Like this. And here we have it. Here we have our picture. For some reason I can't open it. Oh, now I did it. Here we have our picture. And basically, that's how you turn on the camera timer on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.